Hey Spider-Man, check out my new wheels. I don't like it, okay? I think it's totally boring. Fuck, I'm just gonna blow you up with a bomb. Why would I hit you? Okay. Okay, man. Okay. Say what's a bomb? Oh my god, you're right. A bomb! This is for making fun of my new wheels. Countdown starts in 3, 2. Oh my god. 1. Oh, this car is going on forever! Spider-Man what? Tractor has new wheels, don't he? Yes. That's it. Tractor. I'm coming for you. Sorry. Well, that's okay. Oh, you see that tractor? I'm sorry, like, you know. You destroyed a lot of the Spider-Man. And this is what I think about your new wheels. I'm sorry. That's what I thought.